Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video I want to show you how we can increase volume in Adobe Premiere 2019, and it's honestly really simple. So the first step to do is to right click and then go to audio gain, and you will have a set gain to or adjust gain by. You can go like, I don't know, 20. Okay, and it's going to scream a lot. It's going to be so loud. Okay, and as you can see, it all changed. Wait a second. Like, it's really loud right now. So the second option how you can change volume is go to here and change it like that, or channel volume, or again go by to right click audio gain, set gain to, let's go to 0. It's going to change back. But also you can you see the line here, you can move with it and the audio will change also. So this is the two ways how you can actually do the free ways. If you enjoyed this video, you know what you can do. You can support this channel with subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. Again, thank you very much everybody. Goodbye.